Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. One of my viewers or a subscriber was trying to do this right here with text to path, and he figured it out, but he thought my viewers might enjoy it. Or if you ever wanted to do this, is text to path on a Gaussian blur. And if you just take your text to path, let's make it a little bit smaller, go up to text to path, put it on the path. When you get that red line, you'll get a red arrow. Now all you have to do is select it all, go up to object, break the text part, move your item out of the way a couple of times, 3 times. Let's make it black, but let's make it something other than a hairline. And now let's go to effects, blur, and Gaussian blur. I don't know that anybody would ever do this, but it would be beneficial if you wanted to write text to path, and then just let's move it back those 3 times. Now it is it's on the top kind of an edge because it was on top of that hairline basically when we started. So you could actually, if you hold down the control button, you could actually put it on that blur or inside that blur. Anyway, that might help somebody someday, but thank you for watching.